least that's what they want you to think anyways. In a large part, artificial intelligence is taking over. In a lot of cases, we use robots to do the job that humans may have done before, but we're using robots to do it now. If you think about, you probably have seen maybe Facebook Messenger bots, or even now they have texting bots, which is one of the things I want to talk to you today about, where I'm using an automatic virtual assistant, basically a texting bot that's going to do the job for me. Years ago, email marketing was the big thing, right? But email marketing, it's dying out a little bit because the open rate for email marketing is about 20%. Then there's the Facebook Messenger bots that people have. Open rate is about 80%. Not bad, right? But then there's text messaging. The texting bots, open rate is about 98%. That's huge. Most people carry their phones around with them a lot, right? And so getting into the artificial intelligence, where basically you have a robot doing the work for you, that helps a lot of business owners, especially those that are small business owners that can't afford to hire staff, or they want their staff working on other things that a robot could do for them. And you'll see a lot of times, even with the help desk, you'll go through this process of answering questions. A bot is trying to get the intelligence to understand what it is that you need so they can help you in that area. If not, then you can connect with a human. So humans aren't going away, like I said. However, we are using bots a little more to help on the front end for most businesses. And the system that I want to share with you is the Textbot. It's the Ava, is what we call her. The automatic, automatic virtual assistant. I just went blank just all of a sudden. But automatic virtual assistant. And the automatic virtual assistant, basically what she does is help do automatic phone sales for you. And through the phone, it really does work through text messaging. And if you're a business owner, you have a business that you want to promote, you can actually use the system as well. There's also the piece where if you want to make money with selling the system, you can do that as well. So I'm going to show you my back office, like once you set up within the system and how it all works. All right.
So here we are in my back office. So you can see how things are set up and pretty straightforward. So I'm in a dashboard, and here you can see you get either a link to share the information in the tool, about information about the tool, about Ava and how she works, or you get a phone number that you can use to share the information as well. Now, from this dashboard, you can also see the membership status, that you are at which level. I'm at Ava Plus, and basically that means that I open up other features with Ava Plus, and it allows me to be able to make $500 a sale as well. And the usage balance for that I have for my account is basically $26 that you see there. You can get a package or just get $10. You need at least $10 to start, and the $10 gives you like 1,000 text messages, and that's outgoing and incoming messages that you use. And trust me, it takes a lot to use up the 1,000. So here we have the dashboard. Then you have the Ava Basics. I'll click that, where you can see the Ava leads that you have. I'm not going to click it because I don't want you to see people's information, and be able to chat with them. If you don't want Ava to do it and you want to interfere and you start chatting with them, then you can see those as well. You can see the settings that you have for your account. If you want to set up any custom keywords for your account, for example, if you have, let's say, a fitness business and you want people to text fitness to the phone number, you can set up that keyword here in this section. And from there, where you override it, instead of sending them to maybe your link for Ava, perhaps you're sending them to a link or an offer that you have for your business. It all depends on how you want to use the tool for your benefit. And then you have, let's go into Ava Plus. If you, like I said, you don't have to do Ava Plus, but if you choose to, you can. You can still accomplish a lot with just the tool for $100. But if you want to also open up more where you can get more numbers and more links to be able to use, that Ava Plus is will cost you more to do that. The broadcaster is basically the section where if you want to, once you receive the leads within the system, and the good thing about this system is basically you have these leads that have said yes, they want to join your texting list, and then you can send them messages so you can broadcast to them. Let's say you have offers for your business and you want to send that to them as well. The resellers, this is where we get our resources. You can see our links, any leads from presentations, the Facebook group that you'll be able to join, that community, and then the different resources, different marketing materials that you have. And then pending payments. Pending payments is basically when someone has sent you a payment and you go in and then you're marking them paid. Because the money is paid directly to you, Textbot, they don't know that the money has been paid. So you have to let them know that the money has been paid to you so that they can then make that person's account live. And then, of course, you can see your commissions history. And then if you want to get help, the cool thing is there's this chat. You can send a message there. They're typically good about getting back to you to answer your questions. So setting up the account, it can seem overwhelming at first, but really they do take you through a step-by-step. Step one, do this, what you need to do before you can get your numbers set up, the accounts you need to set up to be able to get the usage and stuff like that. So it walks you through the steps to get things set up. Where do you want the money to go when you want people to pay you, be it PayPal, be it Cash App, Zelle, Bitcoin. You determine how you want to receive payments. And then you go from there. So I wouldn't say to me it's simple because I'm walking step by step. You read the instructions. But I would say I am here to help you, to get you set up if there's any questions or confusions. Like also, there's a chat here, and then you have the Facebook group. So definitely, reach out to me. You want to get started, get yourself set up. I'm here to help you.
Now that you've seen the back office and how the system works, you should get started today. Absolutely. Click on the link there in the description, somewhere on this page, and you'll see the link so that you can actually sign up and get the system yourself. With it, how is it paid? You can see that it's $100 basically to get the system. You want to relicense it. If you want to just use it, that's perfectly fine. If you want to also sell it, you get 100% commission. Now the first sale goes to you. The second sale goes to, in this case, it would be me. And then from there on, you receive 100% of the commissions. It's almost as if an incentive for me to help you to make money as well with the system. So joining my team today, my marketing team, and me helping you to grow your business, I would give you my guide to passive profits. Do it once and profit forever. That's what I like to call it. And that way you can learn different strategies of actually building an income for you or for your business. And that's what I want to share with you today, my friends. Be sure that you all subscribe to the channel. And like I said, the link is in the bio for you to get access to Ava. I'll talk to you soon, and I'll see you on the other side.